It's all about the alliance politics is what the opinion from Ms. Joyita Basu is of. And now on that as well, it's a very well measured statement that we also see in a sense that how this contest is being viewed totally different in how it has been viewed in the past few years. Right now, more questions are also being raised on what has really happened to Jagdeep Dhankar. Why did, in fact, did he vacate his office, and why did he have to leave citing health concerns immediately? And all of that has went on for quite some time before, in fact, the NDA decided to field CP Radhakrishnan. And on that note, I also welcome my another guest on the broadcast, Rajalakshmi Joshi as well. She joins me as well for the discussion. Appreciate you, ma'am, for joining me. And, you know, we see at this point of time that many parties have also decided to abstain from the voting process, while the opposition, largely the India bloc, and particularly the Congress, has said that this is indirectly going to help the NDA. When BJD decided, Congress leader have said that they are indirectly supporting the NDA candidate, CP Radhakrishnan. While BJD had said that we have no, in fact, relation with any of these picks, we maintain an equal distance. How do you react to this, specifically this part going on at this point of time? Is it going to be helpful for the electoral voting process, or do you think this is mostly, as Ms. Joyita Basu has put out, the politics of the alliance being witnessed in this context?
Good morning, Simran. And yes, this is going to be a very interesting vice presidential election. And yes, like Ms. Basu has rightly pointed out, that this is definitely going to be an indicator about how the alliances are working. So I think that the opposition has put up the candidate in spite of all the mathematics, in spite of all the statistics, just actually to prove a point, and also to prove to everyone that their alliance, the India alliance, is very much working. And also they're probably hoping, and they were probably hoping, that by fielding a candidate from the South India, and especially from Andhra Pradesh, they will be able to break, especially the TDP. So, which unfortunately for them did not happen. And in fact, on the other hand, Mr. Jagan Reddy, he has actually pledged his support for CP Radhakrishnan ji. So that is how things stand. So it's very interesting to watch how the election is going to go, because this is a secret ballot. So in spite of there being a whip, so you can't really enforce it. So you don't know who's going to vote for whom. So, but in spite of that, what I can see is that Mr. CP Radhakrishnan ji is somebody who actually is able to gel well with members across all the ideological divide. So he is somebody who has actually had a good relationship with everybody. On the other hand, Sudhakar Reddy ji is somebody who is starkly on one side of the ideological divide, I would say. So that is how it is a little difficult for people from the NDA side, or somebody who has a different ideology from him, to actually go across and vote for him, in spite of the fact that their party is supporting CP Radhakrishnan ji. So that kind of a voting, cross voting from their side, from the NDA side, is a little unlikely, the way I see it. So this definitely is going in the favor of CP Radhakrishnan ji. And he is somebody who has had a rich political experience, whether it may be as an MP, or whether it may be as a governor of different states. And so he has also been somebody who was at the helm of affairs of BJP in Tamil Nadu. So he is somebody who has been very much in the middle of politics right from the age of 16. So for him, handling the affairs of Rajya Sabha will not be such a big difference from what he has been used to on a regular basis. Whereas for somebody who has been in the legal field, for him to suddenly come into Rajya Sabha, not that he is not aware of things, but then for him it is definitely going to be something new, and he has not really dealt with all the MPs. So the MPs are definitely going to relate more to CP Radhakrishnan ji, and I see that if there is this chance of cross voting, definitely things will go in favor of
All
him.
right.
So I see the NDA being more in favor today, Simran.